Good day everyone, so I am Ashley Nicole Hapon Sagkod, and today I will present to you the two learning objectives. So first, Good day everyone, so I am Ashley Nicole Hapon Sagkod, and today I will present to you the two learning objectives. So first, understanding the significance of alignment, I pledge to design assessment tools that resonate with the diverse learning needs of my students. Drawing insights from Unit 3's Discourse on Clarity and Fairness, I will ensure that instructions are straightforward and tasks are equitable. By aligning assessments with specific learning objectives, I aim to authentically assess student comprehension and progress. Through this customized strategy, I endeavor to cultivate an inclusive assessment milieu where every student can effectively demonstrate their learning. And for the second learning objective, recognizing the potency of data-informed refinement, I will leverage assessment of data perpetually enhance my assessment tools in harmony with student requisites. Analyzing student performance, I will pinpoint areas of proficiency and inadequacy to inform requisite adjustments. Relying on the assessment development cycle delineated in Unit 3. I will meticulously refine test items to impeccably align with learning objectives and authentically gauge student proficiency. Employing metrics of reliability and validity such as test, retest, reliability, and construct validity, I endeavor to fortify the integrity and efficacy of my assessments. This iterative process of introspection and enhancement empowers me to cultivate assessment tools that optimally serve student learning.